Left our bamboo villa from Uluwatu. Now we are heading to Ubud. We are going to Airbnb. It's about a 2-hour drive. So the plan for today is just to explore Ubud. Maybe go to the art market, go to the markets, get some clothes, because this one Bali needs some shorts. We have officially made it to Ubud. Oh my god, don't crash your head. Alright, we're staying like literally right beside the Ubud art market, which is one of the biggest markets here.
Yunni house?
Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I have a question for you. You just told me you're sleepy in the car. Are you still sleepy?
A little bit.
So, do you want to take a nap or do you want to go out and explore?
Explore, probably.
I knew it. I know, once he saw these stores, he's gonna want to go explore. But we're going to our room.
And tomorrow for breakfast into here.
Okay, perfect. Is breakfast included?
Yeah, included.
Okay, perfect.
7 o'clock until 11 o'clock.
Okay, perfect.
You can do, I can have another.
No,
Oh man, we're all the way upstairs.
There's a bathroom here.
Bathroom?
Yeah.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man.
Make you already here.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you
You
so
can
much.
something and just be around down there.
Okay.
Okay.
There you can just push it there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
1 hour later.
Guess who ended up falling asleep?
Sorry, man.
This one.
Now we're carrying the black bag around.
With
It is
our laundry.
Dirty clothes. Let's take it in.
So our first time doing laundry.
Thank you very much.
Outside.
See you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. How much? That's like about $7.
$7 for like
A bag full.
a big bag.
Big heavy bag full.
5 kg.
Yeah, but that's like all of our clothes. Like, yeah. But yeah, now time to shop. There's Starbucks, but I'm really craving a smoothie. Welcome to the Ubud market.
Well, markets everywhere, bro.
Yeah. Okay, wait for me.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
Okay. Maybe the first buy of the trip.
The first buy.
It's not?
No, it's good. This is tight.
Oh.
That's the problem.
Let's see.
I have no clothes left. We just do the laundry now.
I had more color than that's why.
Let's see. It looks really nice.
It's
The
good.
color's really nice. Only
Look, let's get a twist tattoo.
so down. I think he's down too. I don't know if we got a good price or what, but like we got that for $15 Canadian, both of them, the shirt and the pants. Is that a good price? Or did we get ripped off?
We'll find out right now.
I have no idea. Yeah, we'll find out. Because we just got here, but this man needs clothes, Bali. Like Bali. And she's like trying to sell us more, but we're like, nah,
she's like
girl.
210,000.
Nah,
I'm
girl.
like 200,000.
Best price.
These zeros are pissing me off.
Yeah, it's so hard to tell.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, time for me to buy stuff. Thanks.
So I already got some stuff. Now it's her turn to shop. But I don't think she's digging.
I think
Anything
I
right
like
now?
the other section on the other side better because they had more options. And
Scooter
here,
rental.
I feel like it's all the same things and the same prices.
So then we'll walk a little bit.
Walking, it's the same thing again and again.
Yeah, all the shops literally in this side have like exact same stuff. So keep that in mind. And she's finally looking. Will she find something on shopping with the episode of Jimmy and Simran? What? The quality's good? The blue's good. I like blue.
This one? 150. What's the best price? 120. Yes. It's still very expensive.
75.
What he said.
75,000.
That's all he's gonna give me.
How much?
75,000.
No. That's all he has.
120, yeah?
No, that's too much.
Okay, 80,000.
But last year 100.
No, what's the best price? I'll take
100 best.
80,000.
80. We can do 80.
90.
Come on, 80. You could do 80. Come on.
80.
Do it for YouTube. 80,000.
Ooh, 90.
80. Come on, 80,000. Please. For YouTube. For YouTube.
Yeah.
She won with the bargaining.
Sorry. Thank you.
$7. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do you say thank you here?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Okay, terima kasih.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, we're walking in the market right now. We picked up a few things, and here you have to bargain because they'll tell you pretty much like double the rate. So make sure you guys bargain and bargain. They literally tell you,
Hey, what's your best
what's your best price? They'll start at 150, they'll start at 130. You know you're gonna hit them with 50 or 70. Just don't piss them off. But
Yeah. Just be nice about it and just be like, hey, what's your best price? What's the best price?
she started at 150 and she ended up giving it to us for 80. So keep that in mind.
But always do half and then meet in the middle somewhere where they're happy as well. You know, like,
And whatever works for you. If it doesn't work, move on to the next
yeah, they
shopkeeper.
all have the same thing. So maybe someone else will agree to it.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't stress.
Otherwise, we're gonna keep on exploring and stay tuned.
Price
This one
200. What's the best you can do?
Yeah, how much you want?
I want 100.
100, not enough.
Come on.
Not enough 100.
What's your best price?
180.
No.
Yeah, 180.
XOV.
So we 120.
No. Yeah.
Can't go wrong with $7.50 pants, $7.50 shirt, and the quality's good. You're gonna go all the way to Shein, order that, not get it for a month. Interesting. So here, hold this so I can pay.
The bank.
The bank is here. The bank here. I'm
Yeah.
the bank, right? She's the ATM. You have to put the pen in. Wow, Simran. Identical twins. Identical twins. No? Turn around, let them see it. Hello.
I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, chappala.
Oh,
That's what we need. चप्पल लेने हैं भाई अच्छी प्राइस में
Punjabi, yeah?
पंजाबी oh he knows
Kaisa hai, my friend?
bus good man good what do you want to I was gonna literally just get plain black right what's the price on these ones
This 150. But I do less.
What's the best price?
120. For you?
for me
For this one, this
For-
what size like
this is I'm size 8
okay, try this one. Perfect.
yeah perfect
Yeah, this
Is there a
one.
different
Actually,
color?
no, this is I feel like this is loose now no?
One more bigger, maybe you can make tight like this, yeah.
I think I might just get these are
Oh,
good.
that one? Yeah, nice. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah.
No one to take a screenshot. They ain't for free.
Kya naam, my friend?
Jimmy
Jimmy. No Saruk, yeah?
No
No
Shahrukh.
Saruk.
Jimmy Sherga
Jimmy Sarga.
What?
Just forward, 100. 100. I 50. 39.
50. Come
No,
on,
my friend.
come on, 50.
More, man.
50, man.
Yeah.
50, 50.
How about 80,000, please?
I do, for you, 60.
60?
Yeah.
The middle, 70.
Yeah.
70, okay?
60, 60. Come on, 60.
Right.
You gotta do 60. I'm gonna wear them now.
Okay.
We got Foot Locker bag, man. So we are grabbing some pasta. Oh, this is, yeah, actually smells so good in here. Hello, how are you? Good? It might be raining, but it looks too good. We're gonna have some pasta, some pizza, and this place looks absolutely amazing. And the pizza, yeah, thank you so much. Wow, wow.
We're basic.
Pizza with Coca-Cola. And the pasta is coming. Is it? Oh, thank you so much. Wow.
I'm confused to how this is chili.
Cheesy. Just drink it. Just have like 1, 2. Here comes our pasta. Wow. Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow, that looks good.
Do you get plates? Or do we eat it?
No, just starting. You start, and then I'm gonna start, and then yeah.
Ooh, look at the rain.
The before and the after.
Look at the rain.
So we were about to go to a cafe, and
It's raining. It's pouring.
raining like
The old
crazy
man
right
is
now.
snoring.
It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring.
You just said that, so you need to repeat it.
Oh, accident. What the hell? You gonna smack left, right, center. Just bunch of travel bloggers, they say, in the rain, eh? Walking back to their hotel in Bali. Simran's like, it's time for bed, but guess what? It's 7 p.m. Still jet lagged.
In Toronto, we set 12, 1, 2, anytime, literally. At work, like, I'm an all-nighter person.
But here?
I'm sleeping at like 8 o'clock in the
Honestly,
morning.
it's 12-hour difference.
8 o'clock in the morning, I wake up at 5:30. Who am I?
Yeah, 5:30 minutes. She wakes me up at 6 a.m. Like it's funny or something. Wow.
So we just made it back to the hotel and it was pouring. We were soaking wet. So Jimmy's currently showering and I'm just chilling here, trying to figure out tomorrow's post. But today was so much fun. It was our first day in Ubud and we went to the Ubud art market and sort of explored around. And tomorrow we're gonna go back to it and then we're gonna go see a couple of areas around Ubud, so it's gonna be super fun. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Stay tuned, we're here for 2 more weeks. It's gonna be super adventurous and fun, so stay tuned and keep watching.